stock exhaust, mic, hello. So actually the reason why I'm doing this exhaust sound video is because of an exhaust. I don't know, but I kind of like this exhaust, how the way this exhaust looks. Yeah, I actually really like the way how it looks. So I don't think I will change the look of the exhaust, but maybe I will open the ball so to let more air out. I bought an Akrapovic Moto 2 titanium slip-on. So, and I have a problem. It doesn't fit. It just doesn't fit. Because you know, Akrapovic exhaust is just, they have like their custom own size, and this is the universal one. So it doesn't fit, and I can't use it. And because of this lockdown, there's not many exhaust shop is open right now, and I'm still finding shops that can expand this part of the meat pipe to, you know, to make this able to fit. So yeah, at the meantime, I'll have to stick with the stock exhaust first until I found a shop that can do this. So here you go, enjoy the last ride of stock exhaust. So yeah, let's cherish the moment of the exhaust still being stock.